Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, let's implement hyperlink text in Jetpack Compose. What exactly is hyperlink text? So it's just a text on which we can tab or click, and it will take you to a different web page or different pages. And you may have often seen that in the authentication screen. We'll try to implement that in our Compose here and see how hyperlink text are implemented in Jetpack Compose. So first thing first, if you find this video helpful or learn anything new, do hit that like button and do subscribe to our channel for Android related videos. So let's start. So first let's make a different composable so we can preview our composable here. Let's name our composable authentication screen and come down here, add an annotation for preview and another annotation for composable, and then fun authentication screen. Just done. So now let's try to make a authentication screen. In there we will try to implement our hypertext link there. So let's take a column, let's apply modifier. Max. So now let's create a composable for our hypertext link. Here let's check a text. Let's put this inside a row. Let's add underline to our text here. Let's add some color to it also. Color dot red, blue. Now this looks nearly right. So now how do we handle if we interact with this, or let's run now. Let's close this, run our emulator and see our final output. So we get this output here. It goes behind our status bar. So what we can do here, is apply a padding. That's called status bar padding. Now you see it is fixed. This is what is required for our. Let's make our text clickable here. H2H function here. So now when we click on our term and condition, we see nothing here. So for that, this local URL handler dot current will handle our URL for us. Now let's use here URL handler dot open URL, and let's give it a URL google.com. And like this, we can also use. Now if we click on this, we are redirected to this link here. So you see, this is how we can create a hypertext link, and mostly in authentication screen you must have seen this type of hyperlink text. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. This is how you handle a URL in a text, and you can edit this text as the way you edit other text. As simple as that. You just add this local handler here. With this local URL handler dot current, you can handle any URL link on click, just like this. So this is it for this video. This is how you can create a hyperlink text in Composable. If you have any doubt or any question regarding this video, do let me down in the comment section below. And if you have any question, you can also ask me in the comment section. If you learn anything new and find this video helpful, do hit that like button, and also subscribe to our channel for Android related content. Thank you.